Now let's look at the solution for this question. Now in the first case, the switch S is closed and capacitors, each is of capacitance C, just parallel to the terminal potential. So in case 1, with the switch S closed now, as V is being the potential of each capacitor, the energy of the system E1 is equal to, here potential is being V, half CV square plus again half CV square. This is equal to CV square, equation 1. Coming to case 2, and this case is to be discussed. Dielectric slabs are inserted into the free spaces of the capacitors. So each is of capacitance 5C. So this is 5C and this is also 5C. So dielectric slab of dielectric constant 5 is being introduced. It is so 5C and 5C. What about potentials? Here the switch S is being open. Here charge remains constant because there is no conducting path. And here this is being already in connection with this potential. Here potential remains as V. Here the charge is to remain constant, but the capacitance is multiplied to 5 times. So Q equal to CV when Q is to remain constant and capacitance is multiplied to 5 and the potential is reduced to 1 by 5 times. Now with this analysis we can write the energy of the system E2 as follows, is equal to, here half into capacitance is 5C, the potential is V only, V square now, plus half into, remember here whether switch S is open or closed now, because of introduction of dielectric slab, capacitance becomes now K times. So here it is 5C. But because the switch is open, as the charge is to remain constant, potential will be reduced to 1 by 5 times. So V by 5, this whole square.